Hello my friends, welcome back to Art Academica. Who do you think we're going to draw today? This thing has long body, pointy nose and ears, 4 paws and huge fluffy tail. Of course this is a fox. We're going to draw a nice mushrooms under them and beautiful flowers. Fox has been friends with people much longer than even the dogs. So it is fun. So they become friends more than 60,000 years ago. Good job with drawing, my friends. Let's color them. I'm picking up bright red pencil and covering up the whole tail. You can use orange, bright red, even yellow. You can get yellow into the red. It's up to you. Have fun. Foxes can be very different. Some of them gray, some of them even white. I use orange pencil to cheer up my color a bit and doubling up the intensity. So I think it looks very interesting. I'm picking outliner and coloring up my missing points, and of course with small hatching lines I can create the surface of the fur. Our fox will be very bright if we will add some dark accents. Point of the tail, points of the ears and the nose, and of course eyes. Look at this, our foxy is smiling already. For my work, I'm using the piece of watercolor paper and you can see the grains there. It helps me out to add the texture. But if you're using normal paper, just make more dots and it will be fine. Our foxy has nice dark socks and white tummy. A bit more of hatching, and look, it's so nice to see that funny bright fox on our works. Nice work! Interesting how looks your fox. Please share your work with us using hashtag @academica.school. What's now? It is time to add some bright details on our field. What is your favorite color? I like blue, the best color for the mushrooms. Beautiful green for the flowers on one side and another side. If you want, you can use many different greens on one plant. Maybe you want to color them in with pink or red. So let's make them brighter. I'm picking up my liner again and outlining all the leaves. Look, that looks very funny. Of course, some flowers will be outlined as well, and we will add some small funny details on them. Mushrooms we will need to outline as well and add some, maybe dots, maybe lines, as many as you would like. I even did zigzagging. Did you know so foxes make about 40 different sounds? Isn't that curious what our foxy is singing right now? Great job! Look, our work is almost done. I love our flowers. They are bright and very exotic. And while we're finishing our plants, we're going to think about what color will be our ground. I think some brownish gray will be just fine. So, we've made great job today. Thank you for being with me. My name is Taya. Do not forget to put your signature and see you soon in Art Academica. Bye bye!